Namaste and welcome to day 6 of Start Now journey, and this has already become a ritual. Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today's practice is actually about getting to connect from your inner self to the outer self. Whatever happens on the insides is always reflected and shown in some or the other way to the outside and the physical level. That's the way where you understand that your body is trying to communicate to you. Your inner self is trying to communicate to you. So let's take this practice to reflect and not judge ourselves. Let's get to know ourselves as much as we can without having any anticipation towards it. Can we do this? Alright, let's get you seated into a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Try if you can see and feel that your sit bones are getting connected to the floor. Your shoulders are rolling back and slightly lifting your chest and still relaxing it down. Your spine is neutral. Your heartbeat is rhythmic. You have a gentle smile on your face as a gesture of gratitude towards committing to this beautiful journey. Let's have one simple intention for our practice today. One simple intention. And once you're clear with it, gently take your time to open your eyes. This is beautiful. Today's practice is actually about standing and being on foot. So I want you to get up from the floor. And you might have been not very used to starting the practice from standing, which is why today we started by grounding ourselves on the floor. Now we will ground ourselves by standing. From here, I want you to get your legs together as comfortably as you can and just let your body move from one side to the other. Shift the weight on the right side, outsides of the foot, left side. Now go with the weight shift. Go on the other side. Now I want you to loosen your body. Let it feel free. Let it sway. Let it swing. Let it swing. Now go up on your toes. Keep your heels up. And see if you can still sway your body. Yeah, and still trying to find the balance. This is lovely. Okay. From here I want you to come back into center. And just stay wherever you are. Pull up the kneecap gently, a little bit. And find the weight shifting to the center, slightly to the front side of your body. Let your shoulders relax. Let your chest relax. Try to reach that head, crown of your head, up to the ceiling and further to the universe. Let your breath be as natural as it can. Expand yourself as you inhale and relax yourself as you exhale. You can slowly open your eyes if they were closed. From here, I want you to be aware that right now you're in the still state. I want you to slowly drop that neck to the right side. Let it hang, let the gravity pull you down from extremes, from every corner. And slowly inhale, bring the neck back up and to the left side, exhale. You might have noticed that my eyes constantly close while I'm navigating you through this practice. And that's because I really feel connected to myself when I do that. You can also try doing that. Inhale, exhale one more time. Push both the shoulders down and away. Slowly inhale back up. To the left, exhale. Breathe into your foot. Breathe into your knees. Breathe into your core. Breathe into your neck. Slowly inhale back center. Lift up your palms, take it from the side, interlock those fingers and try to see if you can lift the base of your palms to the ceiling and go up on your toes. Lift up the heels higher. Initially, if the balance becomes challenging to you, that's okay. If you find it in the very first place, brilliant. What helps me is to actually look at one spot. Today's practice is standing about on your feet and finding that inner you. Slowly try to go higher on those toes if you can. This is lovely. Looking at you guys, looking at the camera actually helps. And we're human. Every wobble, every fall, every movement that you make, enjoy it, cherish it. Don't be very hard on yourself. This practice is for you. So if you get irritated, if you get disappointed, you're already disrupting the flow of the practice. And it's against the nature of practice. Almost there, hang in there. Stay up a little more. And slowly release the heels, release the hands. We'll get the legs together if you can. And slowly try to lift your right knee up to your chest. If this is how much you can comfortably be in, that's perfect. And if you want to take it higher, this is also perfect. Everything that is your current capacity is your current perfect. So embrace it. Yes, and if you find that wobbliness on the left foot, enjoy it. Yes. If you want to add a little challenge, if you want to get that zen in, try closing your eyes. But promise me, if you fall, if you wobble, you better laugh it out. And slowly come out, very slowly. Get the legs together. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Slowly bring your knees up, wherever you're comfortable, whatever's your comfort spot, your current capacity. Go there, embrace your practice, and breathe. Tell your ankles that I believe in you. Pull that kneecap halfway. Yes. Find that balance. Stay for yourself. This is your practice. Don't compare it with anyone. Yes. This is lovely. Hang in there. Don't forget, you have to enjoy every wobble you make. Let this practice be rejuvenating for you. Let this practice be joyful for you. When you let go of that seriousness, the practice comes closer to you. And slowly relax. From here, let's try going up on our toes again. So interlock your fingers and lift it up. And lift up those heels. Brilliant. Just stay. Don't close your eyes. Just hang in there. Yes. Take your stomach in slightly. Engage the core, shoulders down. I'm looking at you guys, that's why it feels like I'm looking down. But you have to look somewhere in the front. A point where you can gaze at. Go higher on those heels. Brilliant. Enjoy it. Wow. Just look at this practice. Our practice demands discipline. Discipline and joy. Discipline towards showing up and joy towards the approach of your practice. And slowly release the heels down. Relax the hands down. And just breathe without moving, without any adjustments. Now that you have already become comfortable with standing on your foot, standing on your feet, let's actually get our right leg up again, and this time we take it on the side. So if this is where you can stay comfortably, stay there. If you like pulling it up higher a little bit more, go for it. If you like pulling it higher a little bit up more and holding on to that shin, go for it. And just enjoy balancing. Adding a counter arm actually helps you find the balance, or keeping it here or here. is absolutely your choice. I said it's your practice. Make it yours. Find one spot to look at. Believe into your toes. Spread your toes evenly up and apart. Spread your toes evenly and apart. Shoulders down and relax. Find that zen. Lovely. Bring the knees back and slowly stand still. From here, allow your heart rate to relax. Allow your foot to feel normal. Let that blood circulation rush back through the legs. Close your eyes and just feel through those internal movements inside of you. Slowly, let's go for the other side. Lifting up the left leg. Shift the weight on the right. You want to choose to pick it lower or higher. Keep it where you find your current you. Find yourself in the practice more than your legs. Yes, just stay there. Trust yourself. Tell your ankle that I love you and I trust you. Let it breathe. Very slowly let go of the legs. Gently. Keep your eyes closed now. Pull the kneecap up. Stand in stillness and just observe what your body feels. How it feels right now. From here, let's release that tension from the ankles that we have. So go up on your right toe and then the left toe. Just pick it up and drop it. Keep alternating it. That's lovely. And try to push it to the maximum. If you also want to add a little more dynamic movement to this, you can switch on the top. That's lovely. Look at one spot. Feel that love going through your legs. Feel that connection. And slowly relax. Spread your legs wide apart. And just push your hips to the right side completely. Squeeze your hips and feel that stretch on the inner edge of your legs in the groin area. And just breathe. Slowly bring the legs to the left extreme. Stay there. Squeeze the hips. That's looking good. And slowly bring your legs back to center, hips back to center. From here, we will actually try now the tree balance. If your legs are feeling tired, I think you can just sit and lie down. But if you want to stay and continue with me, let's try tree pose, also known as Vrikshasana. So you will take your right leg up and you can place it right above your left inner edge of the foot, inner edge of the legs. If you want to keep crawling it higher up, keep it, but try not to keep it directly just next to the knee joint. Keep it either above the knee joint or below the knee joint. Spread your toes so it helps you balance. The wider the toes, the comfortable the balance gets. You can always grab your ankle and place it higher to your groin region. I actually prefer a little lower from the groin. From here, you will see your hips sinking. Try to pull that back in center. Engage that center of your body. Lift up from your head and ground yourself from your foot. From here, just find your balance. A better way to find your balance is actually to look at one spot. Find that gaze. If you feel comfortable, join your palms and just stay there. The patterns inside our mind reflect to the patterns every small wavering and pattern inside our mind will reflect into our balancing postures. So let that inner chaos calm, to let that outer body relax. Remember, if you wobble, smile it out. Keep trying, keep bringing yourself back in center. And slowly relax the legs. Good job. You did really great. That's actually challenging after standing so much and trying single leg balancing postures. Let's try doing the other side. Wherever you're comfortable right now, find that center and just stay there. You join your palms in the front, in the heart center, and just stay. Let your breath relax. Let that joyful focus come into place. Let that inner child come outside and just be aware of yourself. You will notice that one side of your body is always different than the other side. And that's absolutely normal. Just cherish it. Be aware towards it. Notice it. If you have equal, steady balance both sides of your body, that's brilliant. And that's something that you need to flaunt. Something that you need to be very happy about. Because I definitely get challenged on the first side. You tell me, which side would you get challenged? Did you get challenged in today's practice? Slowly relax the foot. Relax your hands. You'll feel that blood circulation running back through the fingertips. Ground your foot and just stay there. Slowly bend your knees, come down to seat. Take a minute to just massage your ankles and tell them thank you. Tell your legs thank you for being so understanding, so focused and so supporting. Thank your mind for being the same, because it's from the inside to the outside and also from the outside to the inside. Yes, place your hands on the heart, place one hand on your stomach and just have that gratitude towards the practice. Gratitude towards your body, and gratitude towards your mind. And slowly from here, open your eyes, lie down on the mat, make yourself comfortable. Relax your fingertips, relax your toes, relax your stomach. And just observe your breath. Lie down here and surrender yourself to this relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.